channel. In this video I will show you how you can hard reset Poco M3 without PC or dongle. So the first step to unlock this phone is you have to subscribe the channel, and if you have already done it, make sure to press the bell icon. So now we are on step 2. As you guys can see, this phone is locked by a button lock. Power off the phone. I'm just removing its back cover. Okay, so now press and hold the volume up and the power key at the same time. Release the power key when screen appears, but keep holding the volume up button. So now we're on battery mode. Go to wipe data, wipe all data and confirm it. Back to the main menu once done, and now reboot the device. The device may take longer than usual while rebooting. Here you guys can see the MUI 12 logo. This means the device has been hard reset and the pattern lock is removed. Now you just have to set up and use the device. Thanks for watching this video, and please make sure to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. If you guys also want another video tutorial for FRP bypass of Poco M3, just click on next video on our channel.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.